Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. So, yesterday I have explained meanings. Okay. Today I am going to explain workbook. Okay. Okay. So today I am going to explain blanks. Workbook page number 26, ma. Sit properly, everyone. Workbook page number 26. Did you open? Yes. I told you to learn meanings. Did you learn? If you learn meanings, now you are able to answer these questions. Okay? Shall I start? So, page number 16, you have fill in the blanks. What is the first blank here? Some of the clues given. First, I will write clues. 100 gold coins. 100 gold coins. Find out diagnosing clear, ashamed, realized, misery, discharge, scores, symptoms. So these are the clues given here. Stop answering. Just whenever I ask the answer, then only you have to say. Okay. Listen first. Blank. His cheek was right. His eyes was dash and bright. So what is the answer here? I told you send me answer. So here about the king he is saying his cheek was right. His eyes was dash. Very good. Hamsini. First someone said I did not read his name. Clear. Very good, mom. So his eyes was clear. That means the king was very healthy. Okay. Manisha. Okay. Very good, mom. Now read the second blank and send me answer. They could not find dash of any disease. Sorry. Dash of doctors came to the king's palace. How many doctors came to the king's palace? Here number not given but some word given instead of a number. That word you have to send me. Okay. Dash of doctors dash of doctors came to the king, came to the king, came to the king's palace. Okay, can you say what of doctors came to the king's palace? Here once observe 100 gold coins. It is not suitable here. Find out. Diagnosing. Clear. Clear already completed for the first blank. First answer. Ashamed. Realized. Misery. Discharge. Scores. Symptoms. Very good, Manisha. What is the correct answer? Scores of doctors. Scores means more than 20 or 30. Okay. Scores of doctors. So here, this is the second answer. Okay. So here, first answer already completed. And circle so that it will be easy for you to find out the answers. Scores of doctors. Scores of doctors came to the king's palace. Next blank. They could not find dash of any disease. They could not find dash of any disease. They could not find of any disease. So can you say what is the answer here? They could not find dash of any disease. 100 gold coins is wrong answer. Find out, diagnose, ashamed, realized, misery, discharge, symptoms. So what is the correct answer? Alexia. Just now she also said. Alexia, Manisha, Manichan. Okay, symptoms. So this is the third answer. They could not find any symptoms. Okay. They could not find any symptoms of any disease. Okay, very good. It's right answers, ma. Make it fast. If you write first one, shall I write, ma? Just you have to write answer only, no? Already blank is there in your book. Shall I write? Okay. Next, fourth blank. The first doctor was perfect in. The first doctor. The first doctor was perfect in dash and giving medicines to the patient. Okay. So what is the fourth answer, ma? The first doctor was perfect in dash and giving medicines to the patients. So it is about the first doctor. So what is the correct answer here? 100 gold coins, wrong answer. Find out, wrong answer. Diagnosing. So diagnosing means checking the patients. Okay. So diagnosing is the correct answer. So this is the fourth answer. Diagnosing. Diagnosing and giving medicines to the patients. Okay. Should I write the second and third lines now? Hope you have written answers. Fifth one. The king's men offered the beggar. The king's men offered the beggar. Offered the beggar dash for lending his shirt. Okay. So the king's men offered the beggar how much money they offered? I mean, they offered for a lending shirt. If the beggar will give them shirt, they will offer something to the beggar. What are they? Can you tell me here? 100 gold coins. Yes, very good. Alekia, very good. 100 gold coins they offered to the beggar so that he has to give 100 his shirt to the king for one night. Not permanently, but one night. 100 gold coins. The king's men offered 100 gold coins to the beggar so that he has to give his shirt. Write fast, Mamade Singh. Okay. Vignesh, unnecessary messages don't say ma. Which is needed, that only you have to say. Okay. Sixth one. He dash that he had failed in his duties. Okay. He dash that he had failed in his duties. He means here king. King felt something that he had failed in duties when he realized that all the people in his kingdom were there facing problems. So the king realized about that. When he realized, he failed something. What he failed? Find out. Ashamed, realize, misery, discharge. Which is the correct answer? Yes. He realized that he had failed in his duties. Who realized here? The king realized. The king realized that he failed in his duties. Sixth answer. This is the fifth answer. Okay? Shall I write the fifth one now? So I will write what are the answers completed. Okay? These are completed now. So I am erasing. Only find out, misery, discharge. 3 answers left. Next, seventh one. The king felt dash of his behavior. Okay? The king felt dash of his behavior. How he felt when he realized that the people were suffering? Ashamed. Okay? So this is the answer, ashamed. The king felt ashamed. The king felt ashamed of his behavior. Okay? Next, eighth one. No man in his country was In his country, was without dash or problems. Problems. So what is the answer? No man in his country was without dash or problems. No man without find out. Sorry, without misery. Misery means problems. Okay. Very good, Manisha. Without misery. So now this answer also completed. Shame also completed. Only two answers left. Discharge, find out. Okay. Next, ninth one. He decided to dash about his people. Okay, what is the correct answer? He decided to dash about his people. Manisha again, very good. Mom, find out. Find out. Find out. Okay, right. One more blank left. The king. Should I erase this? No. Sixth one. The king dash his. The king dash his duty is such a way that pupil were happy. Also the king's illness was cured. Okay, the king dashed his duty in such a way that pupils were happy. Also, the king's illness was cured. So, what is the remaining answer? Discharged. Very good, very good. The king discharged. Discharged his duty in such a way that pupils were happy. Also, the king's illness was cured. Okay, right. Make it fast, ma'am. If you write, send me message, ma'am. Completed teacher like that, so that I can understand you have completed. And I will start and then. Completed or not? Only Alexia completed. Manisha also completed. Okay. Still. Make it fast, ma. Still writing. Rajshekar. Completed, Rajshekar? I am completed. Satvik, did you complete? Manichandana, complete. Sorry, Manichandana. Just I read that Manichand. Hamsini completed. Very good, ma. Shall I rest? Hope all of you completed. Okay. What is the next bit, ma? True or false? Okay. Now again you have to send answers to me. First, say whether the following sentences are true or false. Second bit, say whether the following sentences are true or false. True or false. Okay. Now the first sentence, the king was not really healthy. The king was not really healthy. Is the king healthy or unhealthy, ma? Just he is imagining that he has ill person. That means he has some disease. Actually, he is a healthy person. So here when the king was not really healthy, that means he has some disease. No, he does not have any disease. He is a healthy person, right? So here given that he is not a healthy person. Then the given statement is false. Okay? Right. Next one. Dash of the doctors could not find any disease in the king. The doctors could not find any disease in the king. Okay. Did they find any disease in the king? All the scores of doctors came. All the doctors came and they diagnosed. That means they checked, examined the king. So did they find any disease? No, they did not find any disease. Could not find any disease. That means it is a true statement. Scores of doctors came. They said that you don't have any disease. So the king ordered them to cut their heads, right? Why? Because they said that you don't have any disease. That means they could not find. That's why they said, right? Actually, the king is not unhealthy person. He is healthy. So whatever is there, the doctors find out. That only said. They said that they could not find any disease in the king. Right? So the given statement is true. Next to it. The first doctor was a good scholar. The first doctor was a good scholar. Was a good scholar. Good scholar. Yes. So after the scores of doctors came, then two doctors came. So in that two doctors, one is a good scholar, one is he does not have any training. He does not read any book. Okay. So here about the first doctor was a good scholar. Is it right or not? Yes, he is a good scholar. Okay. He spent all his life diagnosing the patients. So he is a best doctor. He is a good scholar. So given statement is true. The second doctor was perfect in diagnosis. The second doctor was perfect in diagnosis. If the second doctor is good at diagnosis, that means examine the patients. No, he did not diagnose in his life. He did not study any books and he did not diagnose in his life. So he has given he is a perfect in diagnosis. Is he perfect? No, he is not perfect in diagnosing. So the given statement is false statement, right? It is a false statement. Okay? And next one, the king would be all right. Would be all right if he slept one night in the shirt of in the shirt of a happy man. Happy man. Okay, the king would be all right if he slept one night in the shirt of a happy man. Actually, he does not have any disease, right? If he wear the happy man shirt for one night, if he sleep on that shirt, then he will be cured. Is it right? No, he will not be cured, right? That means he does not have any disease. Then why he need a happy man shirt, right? So the given statement is false. Actually, he does not have any disease. If he wear a shirt of a happy man or not wear, he will not be cured. Why? Because he does not have a disease actually. Okay. So the given statement is false statement. Okay. It is false statement. Shall I write the first two sentences now? Okay. Remaining I will explain in tomorrow's class. Okay, time is over. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you, mom. 1 minute completed. వస్తారేమో వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా. 50 నిమిషాల లోపు కదా